Hello dear children, I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are excited for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the new chapter. A new chapter, chapter 4, the states of India. We are going to learn about our country India. Learning points in this chapter is the political divisions of India, the states of India and their capital cities, the union territories and their capitals. Children, can you tell me which country map is this? Yes, this map is of our country India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India's population is more than 120 crore. Means the number of the people living in India is more than 120 crore. India is the second most populated country in the world. New Delhi is the capital of India. The union government has 8 offices in New Delhi, the capital of India. India is a big country. India is divided into different states and also has a few union territory. This map shows states and union territories of India. Look at the map. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal are the states. Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep Islands, Puducherry are the union territories. Children, this India map shows state and state capital in white dot, union territory and union territory capital in black dot. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Every state has its own capital. The states have their own governments. The main offices of the state governments are located in their capital cities. Look at the names of the states along with their capitals. First, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Second, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Third, Assam, Dispur. Fourth, Bihar, Patna. Fifth, Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Sixth, Goa, Panji. Seventh, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Eighth, Haryana, Chandigarh. 9. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. 10. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. 11. Jharkhand, Ranchi. 12. Karnataka, Bengaluru. 13. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. 14. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. 15. Maharashtra, Mumbai. 16. Manipur, Impal. 17. Meghalaya, Shillong. 18. Mizoram, Aizawl. 19. Nagaland, Kohima. 20. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. 21. Punjab, Chandigarh. 22. Rajasthan, Jaipur. 23 Sikkim Gangtok, 24 Tamil Nadu Chennai, 25 Telangana Hyderabad, 26 Tripura Agartala, 27 Uttarakhand Dehradun, 28 Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, 29 West Bengal Kolkata. Children, this India map shows Union Territory and Union Territory capital. There are 7 Union Territories in India. The Union Territories of India along with their capitals. Union Territories capital Delhi. Formerly Delhi was a Union Territory, but some years back it has been awarded the status of the National Capital Territory, and capital is Delhi. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Billard. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Daman and Diu, Daman. Lakshadweep Islands, Kavaratti. Puducherry, Puducherry. The Union Territories are governed by the central government. Children, this India map shows the state Rajasthan and state Goa. Area wise, Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in India. Children, this picture shows Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Among the Union Territories, the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands are the largest and Lakshadweep has the lowest population and is the smallest island. Children, this India map shows a state Uttar Pradesh and state Sikkim. Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state and Sikkim has the lowest population in India, means more number of people living in Uttar Pradesh, less number of people living in Sikkim. Children, this map shows state language of India. India is divided into states on the basis of languages spoken. A person from Punjab speaks Punjabi. A person from West Bengal speaks Bengali. People from Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu. People from Maharashtra speak Marathi. So the people speak different languages. Children, this picture shows unity among the people of India. The people of India speak different languages, have different customs, eat different kinds of food and wear different clothes. Yet we are all united as Indians, as we all belong to this country called India. Everyone must feel proud to be an Indian first and then a Gujarati or a Punjabi or a Rajasthani. We must respect one another and remain united as Indians. Dear children, today we have completed the chapter 4, the states of India. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with the new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and be safe.